As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil one-burner portable grill, right? For tailgating, maybe?
Yeah, exactly. I'm thinking something small and easy to carry. What are the main differences, tech-wise?
Well, the Weber Q1200 is a bit bigger and heavier. It weighs 30 pounds, while the Char-Broil is only 21.3 pounds. Size-wise, the Weber is 20.5, DX 40.9 inches, WX 24.6 inches H, and the Char-Broil is 16.2, DX 24.8 inches, WX 13.3 inches H.
Okay, so Char-Broil is more compact. What about cooking space?
Good question. The Char-Broil has a 240 square inch cooking area, surprisingly bigger than the Weber's 189 square inches. So despite being smaller overall, you can grill more at once.
Interesting. What about heat output? That's pretty important.
The Weber puts out 8,500 BTU, and the Char-Broil is rated at 9,500 BTU. However, Char-Broil does say that the BTU rating isn't directly related to how hot it gets, but more about fuel efficiency.
Fuel efficiency is good, but I still want decent heat. What kind of grates do they have?
The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, which are generally considered higher quality for heat retention. The Char-Broil has porcelain coated wire grates.
So Weber probably gets hotter and holds the heat better, but Char-Broil is more fuel efficient. What about ignition?
Both have easy start electronic ignition. The Weber calls it electronic ignition, and the Char-Broil says it's piezo. They both claim it's easy to light the grill with a push of a button.
Okay, that's convenient. And what about the price difference?
Big difference. The Weber Q1200 is around $259, while the Char-Broil is only $88.82. So, a significant jump.
Wow, that's a huge price difference. I guess the Weber is more of a premium portable grill, but the Char-Broil sounds pretty good for the price, especially with the larger cooking area and lower weight.
Exactly. It really depends on your priorities. If you want the best possible heat retention and build quality and are willing to pay more, the Weber is the way to go. But if you're on a budget and just need a basic portable grill, the Char-Broil is a solid option. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.